What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you guys joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be taking a look at the Smith & Wesson SD40 VE. This is sort of an unboxing slash first look at this gun, which has been on the market for years. This is my first opportunity ever reviewing it or shooting it. The gun is clear. As you can see, no ammo in the gun nor in the magazines. Inside the box, you do get two 14-round magazines. You get the gun, you get your paperwork as well as a lock. And the box is just like any other Smith & Wesson cardboard box. MSRP on this gun is about $389. You can find it cheaper depending on where you look. The caliber, of course, is 40 Smith & Wesson. This is the two-tone color. It comes in various other colors. You can check the website for those colors. The barrel as well as the slide are both stainless steel, and you got a polymer frame which has some aggressive texturing on it, which does allow you to get a nice firm grip on the gun. The overall length of this gun is 7.2 inches. You do have the 3 white dot sights, which are fixed, and they're not bad. I do prefer fiber optic sights, but this is the way this gun comes. The barrel length is 4 inches, and you got a weight of 22.4 ounces. Let's check out the trigger pull on it. Go ahead, rack the slide, pull the trigger, hold it, let it reset. One more time. Okay, so not bad on the trigger pull. I'll be able to give you some more opinions on that once I get it to the range and shoot it. But that's pretty much it, guys. Again, this is the Smith & Wesson SD40 VE. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Stay tuned for the full review coming up within the next couple of weeks as I get to the range and shoot it. I'm Tactical Black Guy. I'm out. Peace.